What's your guilty pleasure? Mine is a good bowl of ramen. Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making a quick recipe, spicy vegan chili garlic ramen. It's my go-to recipe when I'm craving for ramen and this is the best way to do it. So let's get started. Let's prepare the sauce mix. To the bowl, add soy sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, red chili flakes, oregano, black pepper powder, and water. Mix everything well. You don't have to add salt as the sauces, especially the soy sauce, would have plenty. Now it's time to cook. Take the ramen of your choice. Heat the pan and boil water. Then add ramen to it. I prefer to add the ramen one after the other and that way I can cook them in less water to avoid wastage. You can take a bigger pan and add both the ramen together and once it is cooked, throw the excess water. If you are new to this vegan or plant-based journey, check out the description section for my free vegan guide to get you started. Once the ramen is cooked, lightly drizzle some oil on top of it and that way it won't get sticky. Time to prepare the sauce base. Heat the pan at low heat, then add oil, followed by finely chopped spring onion, finely chopped garlic. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes over low or medium heat. Then add roughly chopped green chilies. Cook for 1 more minute. Then add the sauce mix to the pan. Add black and white sesame seeds. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat by stirring in between. If you are new to veganism or just want to try vegan recipes, I have an online cooking course on Udemy especially for beginners. Check out the special promo code for Vegan January. The link is in the description section. Time to add the cooked ramen to the bowl. You can do it the other way by adding the sauce to the ramen, but I hate to waste even a little bit of sauce since it's so good. Mix everything well without breaking the ramen. Coat it well with the sauce. You can always reduce the spice level if it's too much. For me and my friends, this is perfect. They will vouch for me. And ta-da! The vegan chili garlic ramen is ready. The flavors are so good, you must try it. Adding some spring onion green for garnish. The first rule of ramen is to eat it hot as it tastes so much better. This is such an easy and wonderful recipe. So much better than what you will get from that ready-made flavor packet. It's simple with just a few ingredients you already have in your pantry and it's easily customizable. Adding some more spring onion greens, black and white sesame seeds before serving it. And there you go, all the cravings gone like that. So, if you liked this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Foodotomic. I'll be back with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.